So I am using 1:2:4 concrete, and I will have to calculate the quantity of cement. It is cement, sand and aggregate in this concrete. Okay, so let me first calculate the weight of concrete. So a simple concept is I need 2 meter cube of concrete. Okay, 2 meter cube of concrete. So as previously I told you that how will you calculate the dry weight of this concrete. First, if someone told you that I need 2 meter cube of concrete for a slab, then that weight is dry, not a dry weight, it is a wet weight. So you will have to convert it into dry weight first. So to convert it, I will have to calculate the dry weight of concrete first. So 2 meter cube plus 54% of 2 meter cube. Okay, as previously I told you that the weight of concrete increases by 54% when it is converted into dry weight. Okay, so let me calculate it, that what is the quantity of 54% of 2 meter cube of concrete. Okay, so 54% of 2 meter cube is 54 divided by 100 multiplied by 2. So let me show it to you. It will be somewhat like this: 54 divided by 100 multiplied by 2. Okay, which is equal to 1.08. Okay, so 2 plus 54% of 2 meter cube, which is 3.08 meter cube. So this is the dry weight of concrete. Okay, first you will have to calculate the dry weight of concrete, then this dry weight will be converted into different components, because cement, sand, aggregate, every component you will get it in dry condition, not in wet condition. Okay, so now 3.08 is the dry weight. Now to convert 1:2:4 into components, first we will have to calculate the sum of the ratios, which is 1 plus 2 plus 4, it is 7. Okay, so now the cement quantity is 1 divided by 7 multiplied by total amount 3.08. Okay, so this is 1 divided by 7 multiplied by 3.08, and this quantity is 0.44 meter cube. Okay, cement quantity is 0.44 meter cube. Now the sand quantity is this, the first one is cement, here cement, the second one is sand, so it is 2 units. So 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 3.08, this is sand. So 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 3.08, and this is 0.88 meter cube. This is the sand quantity. And the third one is the aggregates, I will call it by A, which is 4 units. So 4 divided by 7 multiplied by 3.08. So 4 divided by 7 multiplied by 3.08, and this is equal to 1.76. So aggregate is equal to 1.76 meter cube. So this is how you will calculate the different components of concrete and any concrete member. Okay, the important thing is this thing, like how will you convert the wet volume into dry volume. If anybody asks you that please convert 2 meter cube of concrete to different components, you will have to ask him that whether this 2 meter cube is the dry weight or the wet weight, and after that you can convert easily the different components of that concrete in this way using this ratio. So I hope you would have learned this thing. This is very important thing, and you need to learn it and practice it using different ratios and different quantities of concrete. So if you have learned something, please don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you may get other videos as well. Thank you.